So what if Hoppy Hopscotch from Poppy Playtime got a monster version? This is a cool picture I found. It's kind of like Catnap, but Hoppy. So I think it's fan made. It's a pretty good job anyway. It looks like what it would look like, if you know what I mean. Probably that doesn't make sense. Oh, how am I a YouTuber? Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hip pose if we go too fast. We will start with his eyes. So they're kind of like egg shaped. So we kind of just go like up and over. Around like so. And the eye, so a glowing sort of white eye like Catnap. With a pupil in the center. And then so there's like a line around this, and of course like in there's like black and the eye is white. But we'll draw all the main shapes first anyway. So the other eye sort of in here. And then we have a top eyelid line again. And then box-like little nose. There. There's like a bit of a line around his eye down here. So then we have this massive mouth. Kind of bumps in the middle, comes back the other side. Back up like that. And of course in there's black as well. So we'll do his cheek. 2 cheeks either side, just where the smile lines are. And then this goes down. Like that. And then we have the side of his head. And I think this just finishes in there. And we have big ears. So we go around to the top. Around here, down. It's like they're kind of connected down here, like they click on or something. And then this one goes up and over. Kind of more pointing down this way now. And then we go in. You have like an inside section on the ears as well. So there's like an inner ear sort of part. Like so. Right, then we got some lightning. It's like a zipper in there. Do the shoulder thing. So it's like stitches on the shoulder. And then the arm starts to go this way. And then we got like a rib cage thing going on here. He has hips going down that way. So very thin, like catnap, you know. Okay, and then stitching on the leg, and the bottom of the body comes up. No stitching on the inside of this part. And then there's a zipper that runs down the body here. So of course the easiest way to do a zipper is just like a sort of a zigzag. Okay, and then this leg goes this way, and the other leg starts to go this way. Might as well finish the legs and then we'll do the arms and hands. So we'll go down. And this knee kind of bends around here. Then we get like his heel, and he has like big, really big feet. He's a bunny rabbit. Then we do this one. There's a bit of a join on that foot. There's no stitches, but looks like a bit of a join section. Right, one arm up, one arm hanging down. This is probably the easier one. We'll do this first. Just goes all the way down. The inside is here. And then this one comes down. His thumb, just like cartoony kind of fingers. And then this one is like reaching out to grab us. So right, and then we'll go around that way. Like that. Hoppy Hopscotch, monster version of Hoppy Hopscotch. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.